If you're looking to enhance your posture, create a nice opening in your chest and build upper back strength, then this class is for you. Namaste, I'm Archana. Welcome to today's practice where we'll be doing asanas focused mainly on our chest and upper back region. This is going to help reduce tightness, reduce tension, as well as build strength in this region. So we'll begin this session by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight but not really tight. You need to raise your shoulders, roll and drop it down. Keep a soft focus, either looking at the floor, or if you're comfortable, you can always close your eyes. Hands come to rest on your thighs, palms face the ceiling. Breathe in through your nose, and as you breathe out, just letting your sit bones sink into the mat. Now this time, inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, just releasing any tightness in your upper back, in your chest, as you breathe out. Inhale. Notice the rise of your chest as you exhale. Notice your chest collapsing down. This time, as you inhale, notice the rise of your chest, and as you exhale, notice the chest collapsing back. We're going to do this for 2 more breaths, just observing the movements in your chest region. Now breathe in, reach your hands up towards the ceiling and keep your eyes closed, or again continue with a soft gaze. Palms come in front of your chest. Again, inhale, reach up. Exhale, down. Once more, breath in, reach up. This time, interlace your fingers, stretch towards the ceiling. And as you breathe out, pull the navel in, drop your chin to chest. Seated cat and cow. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, soften. Breath in, reach up. Breathe out, drop it down. Breathe in, hands come up, coordinating your breath with your movement, hands stretched out. As you exhale, drop it to the outside of your right knee, right hand behind your right seat. Breath in, roll that right shoulder towards your ears and drop it back. You can always pull into your knee and open. Notice that you are twisting more at your diaphragm and not at your waist, trying to bring your chest to point towards the right side of the room. Again, release. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, twist to the other side. Again, left thumb behind your left seat, right hand on your left knee. As you breathe in, lengthen. As you breathe out, twist further. Again, roll your shoulders towards your ear, especially the left. Drop it back. Twist, trying to bring your left chest, your chest actually, to point towards the left side of the room. Breathe in, breathe out. Release. Hands come up. Exhale. Drop it down. Swing your legs to one side. You're going to come onto your knees and palms. Again, Marjariasana, Bithilasana here in your tabletop position. Knees beneath your hips. Take a moment to adjust and align your body. Bend your elbow, arch, chin just gaze forward. Press to the mat, pull and round. Again, bend that elbow, 3 of this, going deeper into your pose. Exhale and back. One more, slight bend in your elbow, dropping your chest open. Breathe out and down. Now reach your hands forward. We're going to do this Anahata Asana, puppy dog stretch, but with a twist. So come here into your puppy dog stretch. Right hand in line with your shoulders, and then turn and twist. Reach, hold. 3, 2. See that your hips are not moving towards that side. And 1. Press, come back. This time, left hand comes, stretch, and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Breathe in, completely breathe out. From here, press your palms, come up, walk your hands away from you, knees together. Bring your abdomen to rest on the mat. Elbows beneath your shoulders. We're going to go into Shalamba Bhujangasana, supported Cobra. You can either place your palms here. It will be better if you have to adjust, bring your palms to rest on the mat, elbows beneath your shoulders. Breath in. From here, slowly collapse into the space between your shoulders. Breathe in again. Chest forward. Your focus should be on moving your chest forward and not on the compression in your lower back. As you exhale, sinking into the pose. One more. Inhale. Lengthen. Exhale. Release. Release your hand. Palms come where the elbows were. Just stretch. Sit in Shashankasana. Bringing your awareness to your lower back. Just releasing any tension in your lower back. Go back onto your abdomen. Hands come beneath your shoulders, elbows close to your body. Breathe in. Bhujangasana, elbows stay close as much as you can. Breathe out. Again, the focus is pushing your chest forward and down. One more. Jump and down. Palms come out of the mat. Place it in the same line but outside the mat. Elbows to either side of the room. Arch. Exhale. Down. 2 more of this. Breathe in. Up. Breathe out. Down. At no point you should experience sharp shooting pain. Some amount of discomfort will be there. Once you come to that point where you notice the discomfort, breathe in. Exhale through your mouth. Notice it gets better. And down. Hands come back. Press into the mat. Drop your feet down. Halfway lift. Step between your palms. Come to Ardha Hastasana. Forward fold. Pada Hastasana. Widen your legs. Knees softly bent. Collapse into the pose. Interlace your fingers. Place it at the back of your head. Elbows towards your knees. You're not pulling, just resting here. Collapse into this pose. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. And 1. Release. Come to lying on your abdomen. Take your right hand. You can either stretch it out or keep the elbow in line with your shoulder. Rest your body towards the right side. I like keeping it straight here. Should not feel any tension in your shoulder. Right leg straight. Place your left foot in the front. Right hand directly, your left hand directly pressing in the front of your chest. Nice stretch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Exhaling through your mouth. And 1. Release. Now straighten the left hand like half a T. Arms in line with your shoulder. Just roll over to your right. Again, your leg can stay behind or in front, whatever works for you. Stay here. Breathe in. See that you're not rolling over. Your right foot pressing to the earth. And 1. Release. Open your knees nice and wide. Send your hips towards your heel. You're going to straighten your arms like the letter T. Drop your cheek on the mat. Any variation of the child pose works. This really opens your shoulders. Breathe into your upper back. Just being grateful that you made time to show up for your practice. 1 more deep inhalation. Completely exhale, letting go of any remaining tension in your upper back. One more breath in. Completely exhale, letting your chest sink into the mat. If you turn your cheek to one side, you can turn the other side. And 1. Very slowly. You can choose to sit in a comfortable seated position or in Vajrasana. Hands come to prayer. Breathe in. As you breathe out, we'll chant 1 round Om, noticing the vibrations all through our body. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. If you have more time, I have another video for your neck and shoulder, which you can see up here. You can do that. That is also about 15 minutes or so. If you think this video was helpful to you, please press the like button, share it with somebody you know. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. Namaste.